Today I'm going to show you how you can grab any household object and turn it into architecture. For this example, I'm going to be using the staple remover I found in my house. You can use any object, and I plan on using more in the future when I make more of these videos, but try to pick something that looks interesting, that has a unique shape, or that has cool connections. Like this would probably be a cool piece to turn into architecture. So I started the exercise by taking a picture of the object. We're going to be removing the background of this object using Photoshop, so it's really important that you take a picture in front of a background that's not too busy like I did here. Once you remove the background, the next step is completely optional. I like to do it, but that is to turn it into a sketch. And the way that I did this is using Procreate. Now I made this sketch on Procreate on my iPad, and the cool thing about Procreate is that it allows you to create vanishing points that your lines snapped onto. And so what I did is I freehanded this sketch by tracing the image that I took of it, and then I made the grid around it of where the perspective leads to have an idea of what my canvas on Photoshop is going to look like. Once the sketch was complete, I saved it as a JPEG and imported it into Photoshop. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now before we get started, I just want to mention that this is not a step-by-step tutorial. This is just going to be a time lapse of the work that I did. I think that the time lapse helps to see how I did certain things without my explanation. So if you have any specific questions on how to do something that you saw in the time lapse that you didn't quite understand, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So there you go. That's how you turn any household object into architecture using your imagination and Photoshop. I'm going to be making more of these in the future, so I really do hope you guys enjoyed them. Again, I just want to remind you that if you have any questions, make sure to reach out in the comments section, on Instagram, on our Discord, or pretty much anywhere else that I'll link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Mooch, and this is Pigeonhead Architecture.